Today, I'm diving into the mystery of why your solar remote control isn't working like it should. Let's see if I can fix it in under an hour. The solar remote control is one of those gadgets that's gained popularity for its eco-friendly approach and innovative design. What sets it apart is its ability to harness solar energy, making it a sustainable option for controlling your devices. This feature alone has piqued the interest of many who are looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Its sleek design and user-friendly interface are additional perks that make it a favorite among consumers. The company behind the solar remote control has a notable history in the tech industry, particularly in the development of remote control technology. They've been innovators in creating products that are not only functional but also environmentally conscious. Their commitment to sustainability is evident in the design and functionality of the solar remote control. Over the years, they've continued to push the boundaries of what's possible with remote controls, making them a leader in the field. One of the key features of the solar remote control is its solar charging capability, which allows users to harness solar energy to power their device. This not only makes it eco-friendly but also reduces the need for battery replacements. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, making it a versatile option for those with multiple gadgets. The user-friendly design ensures that it's easy to navigate and control your devices with minimal effort. The remote also comes with a backlight feature, which is incredibly useful for navigating in the dark. Its range is quite impressive, allowing users to control devices from across the room without any issues. Another notable feature is its durable build, which can withstand daily wear and tear. For those concerned about aesthetics, the solar remote control comes in several sleek designs that can fit any modern home decor. The battery life of the solar remote control is remarkable, given its eco-friendly nature. It can go for extended periods without needing a recharge, especially if used moderately. For heavy users, the solar charging pad that comes with it is a lifesaver, ensuring that you never run out of power. The device also features an auto-pairing function, making it easy to connect to your devices without the hassle of manual setup. Diving into a detailed review, one of the major pros of the solar remote control is its ease of use. The layout is intuitive, making it simple for anyone to pick up and use, regardless of their tech savviness. The eco-friendliness is a significant selling point for those looking to live a more sustainable lifestyle. However, there are some potential limitations, such as its dependency on light for charging, which could be a drawback for users who primarily use their remote in dimly lit environments. Some users have reported issues with connectivity, particularly with certain brands of devices. This isn't a universal problem but is worth noting for those who might be affected. The build quality, while generally durable, has been criticized by a few users for feeling somewhat cheap. Despite these cons, the overall user experience remains largely positive. The price point of the solar remote control is competitive, especially when you consider its eco-friendly features and the potential savings on batteries over time. When compared to similar products on the market, it stands out for its unique solar charging capability. Some competitors may offer more universal compatibility, but the solar remote control holds its own, particularly in terms of design and eco-friendliness. In comparison, other solar-powered remotes might offer more features but at a significantly higher price point. The balance of features, price, and eco-friendliness makes the solar remote control a compelling choice. Traditional battery-powered remotes are cheaper but lack the eco-friendly appeal and the long-term cost savings of the solar remote control. From my personal experience, integrating the solar remote control into my daily life has been a breeze. It's become a staple in my living room, controlling everything from my TV to my lights. The ease of use and reliability have impressed me, especially considering its eco-friendly design. I've also noticed a reduction in battery waste, which aligns with my personal goal of living more sustainably. The impact on my entertainment setup has been positive, with the remote's range and durability being particularly noteworthy. It's also been a great conversation starter, with guests often commenting on its sleek design and innovative features. In my final thoughts, I give the solar remote control a solid rating for its performance, eco-friendliness, and user-friendly design. It's a great option for those looking to make a sustainable choice without sacrificing functionality. I think it would particularly benefit individuals who are tech-savvy and looking for an eco-friendly solution to their remote control needs. Overall, the solar remote control is a commendable product that effectively bridges the gap between innovation and sustainability. Its few drawbacks are overshadowed by its benefits, making it a worthy addition to any home. If you're interested in more tech reviews or eco-friendly gadgets, be sure to check out my other videos. I'd love to hear about your experiences with remote controls or any eco-friendly gadgets you've incorporated into your life. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll catch you in the next video.